Come learn what matters at MIT WPU.
MIT World Peace University is proud to present its own success, Yash Parmar, who is our own alumni from MITSOM. He did his BBA in finance from MITSOM. He belongs to the 2015-18 batch, and coming from a background of his own family business. In fact, he's the 5th generation. We are so happy to have him here today. Speaking of innovative ideas, Yash has come up with the Ofla Smart Cooker, which has won the Best Energy Performance category globally. Let's chat more on his success with Yash today. Many congratulations, Yash, on your success. First, we want to know, tell us about all your success story.
We were the only Indian company who have been nominated for that, and it was been conducted all over the world. There were different brands from 14 different countries who had participated in this. And we won under the Best Energy Performance category, in which our cooker got recognized all over the world for the best energy performance. Indirectly, UK government and US government are supporting us, and they are working with us in this. So if we need any new thing or some information from the the market leaders or something, they get us connected. And even we are mainly working for the clean energy. As you can see that we actually received this award just for the main thing is the energy performance that eventually comes into a clean energy thing. So that is what we have achieved. And even the UK government has given us the grant of $50,000.
Okay, that's great to know. We also want to know, how did you come up with this idea of innovation? And if you can share your journey with us.
When I was studying in Midas, so at that time we developed an idea, and I was like, why can't we make this cooking a clean cooking and a safer cooking? So if you see that, if you see the stats, every day in India there are many incidents of the pressure cooker is getting blasted, and many people have lost their lives. So we have come up with this idea, and I just went to China and I developed it on my own there, and then we made a prototype and we got it. We tested for 1 year and then we launched it in the market. So this is, if you see, it gives you the clean cooking thing also. The energy consumption is less. Even the incidents in this, you won't have any problem. And what the surprising thing, what main stats what we got on the website and through Google Analytics is that there are 50% male who are interested in buying this. That is much happier thing for us also. So your food, your nutrients will be the same as it is, and the taste what you make normally and what you do in this is the same.
All right, lastly, we do want to know, and I'm sure a lot of our budding student entrepreneurs would also want to know, what is the one piece of advice you have for them which they should take to have success in their own ventures?
I just want to say that you don't lose the hope or do anything. So for instance, it will happen that first time what you have developed will fail. And that will eventually fail, and that's the best thing, that if you face first 3 failures, the 4th thing is your success. So that is the main thing. You just don't have to lose the hopes.
For all these insightful tips that you've shared with us, MIT World Peace University congratulates Yash Parmar once again on his success story, and we hope all our budding student entrepreneurs take a lot of inspiration from his story. Thank you.